Hi, Finn Waddle. Hi, Valian. And hi, Peel Pan. Hi, Valian. Isn't it wonderful? Your little for the week. Yeah, yeah, until Wilbur comes back for my little sip lesson. Oh, heck yeah, no, heck yeah. And while I will be your second in command until then too. Okay. That's yeah. Well, there comes the flour.
The leftover flour.
And the leftover flour.
That's probably 2/3.
And now we are adding more flour. Yep, 1 more cup of flour. There we go, and now for the brown sugar. Yep, and yep. Now for the brown sugar. It floats as half a cup and a quarter cup. So it makes 3/4. Ha ha ha. Yep. Yep. Yep and yep. And this together. And now for the waddle.
Put them in each one. This recipe said it's going to make 16 cupcakes, and this muffin tin is 12.
Now for the applesauce.
Putting his in, it looks like all my little paper liners are in here. Perfect. Okay.
And now for the vanilla.
In our bowl.
Close the book. Oh, maybe not.
Minus the chocolate chips.
Minus the chocolate chips.
So, I wrote
Not in that pot yet.
Switch back and forth. So we need flour,
Vanilla.
brown sugar,
Okay.
cocoa powder, and baking soda. So we need to get our cup measures. Did you want to say something to John about the extra cocoa?
Okay, there we go.
Add a little more vanilla
Oh, okay.
to kind of even out the cocoa.
And now for the chocolate chips. Whoops. There we go. And making them Swiss style. No. It had chocolate. No. Oh, Cassandra.
Yeah, we had to switch pans with this one. It's still messed up. I tried to redo it. But 2 weird ones. Oh, just 1 weird one.
Oh, I see.
They got 12.